Hey, what's up everyone? Not sure if your Windows PC is 32-bit or 64-bit? No worries, I got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 4 simple ways to check your system type in under 60 seconds. Let's dive right in. First, why does 32-bit versus 64-bit matter? Well, software compatibility is a big one. Some apps only run on 64-bit systems. Plus, 64-bit systems can use more RAM, giving you smoother multitasking and better performance. And of course, you need the right drivers for your hardware to function properly. Alright, let's get into the methods. Method 1. Using system settings the easiest way. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Click on System, then scroll down to About. Under Device Specifications, you'll see System Type. It'll say either 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. Method 2. Using Control Panel. Press Windows plus R, type Control and hit Enter. Click on System and Security, then System. Look for System Type there to see if it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Method 3. Using Command Prompt. Press Windows plus R, type CMD and hit Enter. Type WMICOS get OS architecture and press Enter. It'll display either 32-bit or 64-bit. Method 4. Using Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Click on Performance, then CPU. If you see x64, you've got a 64-bit system. If it says x86, it's 32-bit. Bonus tip. If you have a 64-bit processor, you can upgrade to a 64-bit OS for better performance. Did you find this guide helpful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.